The year 2020 will always be remembered as the year of the coronavirus. So today we'll be drawing this symbol, a round shaped cap. So what I'll do is I'll measure it on a scale. This is a little more than 2 centimeters. So I'll be drawing two lines now, two parallel lines, and I'll draw another line at a distance of say about 3 centimeters. Now, leaving a little distance from the top, start with a curve, small curve, come down and go to the left like this. Then draw a line over here. This will be in line with the lower part. Come up, now we draw the zero. Similarly, we draw at second two, curve out, now these zeros will be represented. Draw small and big outgrowths on both the zeros. First I am drawing the bigger ones. And then the smaller ones, alternately. And I'll draw random shapes inside. Now all we need to do is rub these lines and color it. I have used red, the combination of red and grey color, because red represents danger. You may use any colors of your choice.